Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the transmission mount on this 2016 Ford Fiesta. This is a manual. I believe the procedure is the same with the manual and the automatic. The parts may be a little bit different. But let's go ahead and get to it. It's going to apply from 2011 all the way to 2019. Our parts and tools needed are going to be, of course, the rear transmission mount, or what they refer to as the torque mount, 13mm socket, deep preferably, as well as a 3/8 ratchet. Alright, so here is the rear transmission mount. So basically it's going to be held in with 13mm bolts. So we're going to have one here, one here, one here. This is a nut that holds the oxygen sensor, but right behind that nut is the actual bolt as well that holds this mount in. So we'll just go ahead and knock that one out first. And let's pop the oxygen sensor out of the way here, and then actually remove the actual bolt. This is the only bolt that has actually a nut attached to it. All the other ones are just regular bolts. Okay. Just to make it easier and we don't lose anything, let's go ahead and screw that in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these two here. The engine may shift. Don't be worried about that. It's not a big deal. This is your torque mount, essentially. So this is gonna prevent back and forward movement of the engine and the transmission. Alright, so this one's really long, so just be aware of that. Go ahead and get this one. This one shouldn't be all that long. The engine may shift after you take this one out. The engine actually isn't really hard to move by hand to position it either, because it's a pretty small engine. Okay. So you can see I can just literally shift this in my hand, so it's not that difficult. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the last one right here on the actual subframe. Now this is an original mount with 167,000 miles on it, so I'm sure there's other mounts that need to be replaced. I'm just going to show you how to replace this one for now. Okay, so here's the mount. I'm gonna go ahead and match it up, make sure it actually matches it up to what I bought. Okay, this one's a lot stiffer. So we're gonna go ahead and put the subframe bolt back in first. So that was this one right here. And we're gonna do all this loosely because we wanna make sure that everything lines up. All right, so we got that threaded in there. Let's go ahead and get our bottom one here all lined up. And again, I told you the engine's pretty easy to just move back and forth, so just use your hand to line it up. All right, we'll do the other one right here too. Line that up. And we'll go ahead and get our other one up here. Okay, let's go ahead and start tightening these things down. This one's a little funky. I'm going to try to see if it'll straighten itself out in here. Probably not. Okay, yep. Looks like it's lined itself up. I'm not going to tighten it all the way down yet because I do want to make sure that all these are going to go in just as smooth. Okay, drag the long one here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and tackle the one on the subframe here. That one we'll go ahead and actually tighten all the way out since all these are all lined up and where they need to go. Okay, go ahead and give her a good old tightening here. Get stuff there. Tighten this one down too.
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put our oxygen sensor back onto this threaded portion of the mount bolt. Okay. Alright, that's it, we're done.
Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to replace the transmission mount on this 2016 Ford Fiesta. Again, this one is a manual. This process may apply to the automatics as well. The part numbers will be a little bit different, but again, this will apply from 2011 all the way to 2019. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.